Let's check all of the screen lock options on Realme GT 7 Pro. So first of all, we'll need to open our settings. We can scroll down and look for security and privacy. When you open it, then we can select set screen lock, and there's three options that we can use, excluding the biometrics. So we have numerics, and you can enter between 4 to 16 digits to use this screen lock method. You can go for alphanumeric, and then you have again 4 to 16 letters and digits as well. And then finally there's a pattern. You can select, I'm going to select that one. We can set it up. And our screen lock is now set up, and that is all of the options excluding the biometrics. If you're interested in biometrics as well, we can go for device unlock, and then there's the fingerprint and face unlock available.